that awkward moment when you're playing Animal Crossing all day, every day, on the dot, and you realize, oh crap, I haven't vlogged today. So there you have it. There is nothing to say today, other than I found out it's National Coming Out Day, so good luck to all you people coming out, and just have patience with all of your friends, cousins, brothers, sisters, whatever have you, and be nice to them. Anyway, it's still getting colder. Not gonna lie, I don't want to go outside and play. Other news, I seem to be doing really well on my medication, which is good. I'm happy about that. My psychiatrist said that I've made a lot of improvement, I guess. I still have very weird tics, like I'll be walking and then suddenly I won't be able to keep walking. I won't know why until I look down and figure out the floor has a bizarrely different pattern than the floor I was already walking on. And I'm still terrified of cars. Like, I will literally faint and pass out if I have to sit in a driver's seat. The keys do me not. Talking, yay. The keys don't need to even be in the car. That's how bad this fear is. And I get flack from every angle saying, oh, you just need to drive. You need to drive. Be more responsible and drive. I'm being responsible and not driving. Not driving is responsible for me. Trust this. I have really creepy eyes now, probably. Anywho, so that was my day. My brother's playing WoW. Back there, it's pretty loud. But, hope you're having a nice day, and it's more eventful than mine. I'm probably going to go back to watching Robotech or playing Animal Crossing. So, I'll see you. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!